Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mama Jasmine Beauty, and welcome to my channel. I am going to be going over a little bit today. Okay, blooper number one. Going to go over today a little bit about the makeup look that I'm wearing, and forgive me if I'm looking down. I'm still getting used to filming from a computer or from a phone, and I keep forgetting where the actual camera is. So yeah, and also forgive the glare from my ring light, which is off to the side. I'm trying to learn where to place everything. So let me see here what I'm going to be doing today. I had hoped to be able to do a tutorial for you today, but as I am still learning the process of filming and learning the process of editing and all of that wonderfulness, that there's a very steep learning curve, at least for someone who's over 40. I'm just going to be doing kind of a review of the look that I have already done and the product that I used for my eyes, which is the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. And I'm going to open this up for you. Hopefully there's not too much glare on my glasses. And I have used this a lot. So as you can see, there are the different colors. Let's back up a little bit. There are the different colors. And I managed to keep the little plastic thing that has all of the names on it, which I'm utterly amazed about. But this is a 35 pan palette, and it has nudes and some reds and some purples and blues. And what I did was I used some blue and some browns and the very bright silvery shade, which is called Knockout. But I mostly used Hit It Off, which is like the matte blue that you're seeing. I used Scandal and Risque just for my transition shade. Right, I'm gonna take my glasses off here. So for the matte blue, I used Hit It Off, and if I get it really close, I can actually see it because I'm blind as a bat without my glasses on. Not even kidding. But I used Scandal and Risque. See if I can show you here. Scandal and Risque for the transition shade, and I used Hit It Off for that matte blue. And let's see, what else did I use? For the lighter shade that's just below my eyebrows, where the brow bone is, that's this color right here, and it's called Go Nude. Let me see, for the shimmers, I used, for the darker shimmer right here, I used this color here, and it's called Stud, and it's this darker shimmery blue, and it's really pretty. I also used a combination of Rendezvous and Room for Two, and that was on my inner corner right there. And then just for the middle, to create a little bit of a halo, not quite, but a little bit, I used the color right there. It's called Knockout. It's such a bright pop of the silvery shimmer. It's very pretty. And then underneath, to smoke it out a little bit, to bring some neutrality to an otherwise very bold look, I used this color here. It's called Vixen. I'm not sure if you can see it. And just smoke that out underneath my lash line. Brought it out to a corner just a little. One thing that I like about all of the Morphe shades that I have used is that the formula seems very soft, but it also hangs on to whatever base you put it on. Now, for my eyelid primer, I actually use something specific. And again, none of this is sponsored. I'm too young of a channel to actually have something be sponsored. So neither Morphe nor Gerard Cosmetics or anything that I talk about, they're not paying me to say this, but I use the Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Clean Canvas base, and it comes in a little pot like this, and it is kind of a liquidy formula, so a little goes a long way, and it just sort of it primes the eyes, and then anything you put on top just pops immediately, and it stays on there for a very, very long time. I saved up a little bit of money because it's $21, and I purchased it, and I've had it for, I want to say, let's see, it's May now. I think I got it in March. I want to say March. And I still have almost a full container. I mean, I've used maybe a third of this pot, so it goes a really, really long way. I love it. That also ended up being another review. Didn't mean to. Mostly meant this to be about the Morphe palette, which is just beautiful and wonderful. There's so many different colors, so many different things I can play with. I can do a really neutral color, neutral look with this if I want. I can do reds and purples. There's even kind of a teal green in there. Let me see. Let me swatch a couple of these for you. So I'm going to swatch one that's called Three Little Words, and it's kind of a pink shimmer. Not certain if you can tell that color. I hope so. No, sorry, it's a golden shimmer. And then next one I'm going to do is Tell Me More. And no, I'm not flipping off the camera. That one's kind of a almost coppery pink shimmer. And then let's see, we have Shameless, which is a beautiful golden shimmer. That one's really pretty. We have I like this one. This one is like a steel gray, almost like gunmetal shimmer. This one's called Ride or Die. There is one of my daughter's favorites. This one is called Crush, and this one is purple. I don't know if it's coming up on the screen, or maybe blue on the screen, but this is actual, like a grape purple. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then this is a matte, and this one is a very pretty plummy matte, and I like that one too. So, Stunning Vibes. It has a very just soft but buildable formula. I really like that you can keep adding color and the pigment keeps getting really nice and dark, but you can also blend it out and diffuse it as much as you need to. I like that in a shadow because if I want to go light and more natural on like a no makeup kind of a day, then that makes it easy. If I just want a little pop of shimmer, I can do that. Or if I want to do something really bold like this, then I have that option of doing that. The rest of my face, I kept sort of neutral. I mean, I did some contouring. I have a little bit of blush on. I've got, let's see, Flower Shine On Lip Gloss in the color Nude Nectar on my lips. I mean, I wasn't really doing too much. The entire purpose was to have my eyes show up. The reason I did this look initially was that I'm part of an Instagram collaboration where we do makeup looks, and there's all sorts of different skill sets involved in the group. And this week's collaboration that I was working on actually had to do with a nautical theme. So it had to do with blues and browns and white. And I kind of like the look I came up with. And hopefully it's not too bad. I mean, I'm not really technically good yet. I've only been doing this for about 6 months, and I just like learning, and I think makeup is a lot of fun, so that's why I do it. And now I'm decided that I want to learn how to do YouTube and film things and become more comfortable on screen and on camera, so that's what I'm working on now. It's not my favorite thing, and it's just something where I have to sort of set those insecurities aside and just sort of dive in head first and sort of learn my way around it. I'm still learning how to film, and I'm still learning what's better, my computer or my phone. The issue with the phone is, while it has great quality, it only does certain amounts of time, and I haven't figured out how to make it do long amounts of time yet. And the computer will do as long as I want it to, but the quality isn't quite as good. So that's pretty much it for my review, and just kind of like an update is, no, I haven't forgotten about my channel. But I would say overall, this was, I got it on sale, so it was, I want to say $18. Might have been $16 because I got it on sale. But it's definitely worth it. And I would even buy it at full price. I think full price it's not too much more. I want to say 25 or 26. And would I repurchase once I hit pan? Absolutely. It's going to take me a long time to hit pan on this thing because there are 35 shades. So, I mean, it's going to take a long time to get there. One thing I will be doing on my channel is I have subscribed to BoxyCharm for a few months, and I've going to be doing Ipsy off and on just to sort of build things up a little bit. So I'm going to try to do reviews as they come in. And if there's anything that you guys want to see on my channel, go ahead and comment down below, and I do check those. So yeah, comment down below if you like my look, or if you want me to see or want me to do something different. You want to tell me, Sarah, that looks horrible, you look like you're 90 years old. You know, go ahead and tell me if you have any tips or tricks that would make something look better. Definitely tell me that. I'm still learning, and I can use all the help I can get. Let me see. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click that little notification bell and set it to all so that you get notifications whenever I upload. It would mean the world to me, especially since I'm just starting out. Just to know that there are people that kind of are interested in what I'm doing, and especially in a community where it's sort of inundated with videos about reviews and get ready with me and tutorials and things like that, where someone who is over 40 and is just sort of learning what she's doing, you know, has a voice, and that's kind of a cool thing. It would be really cool for me to know that there's other people out there that are just sort of learning. We can take that journey together. So yeah, go ahead and hit subscribe and that notification bell if you would, please. And I haven't quite figured out my intro and my outro yet, but I know that for me, I would want you to have a beautiful and a wonderful day, and that I would want everyone to be kind to each other and be loving to each other. That is what I tell my children every day, is that loving each other and being kind to one another, I mean, that really is what connects us all. And I, again, hope that you have a wonderful, beautiful day. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.